The untamed mane covering your chin might be a source of pride, a symbol of rugged masculinity, or perhaps, just perhaps, a slightly unruly statement that's due for an upgrade. Enter the beard fade, a subtle yet transformative technique that elevates your facial hair from Wild West frontiersman to boardroom-ready professional. Instead of a sharp drop-off from beard to bare skin, the fade introduces a smooth gradient, meticulously shaving down the hair as it reaches your sideburns and cheeks. This seamless transition adds polish and definition, framing your face and highlighting your best features. Think chiseled jawlines, sharper cheekbones, and a newfound air of sophistication. But the magic of the beard fade goes beyond aesthetics. It's a grooming choice that speaks volumes about your attention to detail, your commitment to presenting your best self. It's the difference between rolling into the office with the equivalent of bedhead on your chin and striding in with a look that says, "I'm in business, and I take care of myself." So, ditch the scraggly scruff and embrace the beard fade. It's not just about vanity. It's about owning your style and projecting an image that reflects your inner confidence and ambition. Remember, a well-groomed beard is a powerful accessory, and the fade is the master class in making it work for you. What is a beard fade? A beard fade is the facial hair equivalent of the stylish haircut transition, a sleek graduation from short at the sides to longer at the chin, creating a seamless and polished look. Think of it as a shadow dancing across your jawline, drawing attention to its sharp angles and adding an air of effortless sophistication to your entire face. By keeping the sides trim, the fade draws the eye towards the jawline, creating an illusion of a leaner visage. The contrast between the shorter sides and the longer chin hair adds depth and dimension, making your beard appear thicker and more substantial. Plus, once you've got that perfect fade going, upkeep becomes a breeze. No more frequent trims struggling to maintain even lengths. The fade takes care of the blending beautifully. The beard fade is a versatile chameleon, adapting to diverse styles and face shapes. Here's a glimpse into the world of faded facial hair, along with some famous faces who rock it. The high fade. This one starts the transition right above the earlobe, keeping the sides super short and gradually increasing the length towards the chin. Think David Beckham, his sharp jawline accentuated by the high fade's clean lines. The low fade. Prefer a touch more sideburns? The low fade starts the blend lower, around the middle of the ear, offering a slightly less dramatic shift in lengths. Kit Harington's signature beard is a prime example, adding an air of rugged charm to his Jon Snow persona. The Temp fade. This one's for the trendsetters. The Temp fade takes the low fade a step further, tapering the hair even shorter as it goes up towards the temples. Think A$AP Rocky, his edgy style perfectly complemented by the sharp contrast of the Temp fade. So, whether you're aiming for a sharp and defined look, a touch of rugged charm, or an edgy vibe, the beard fade has a variation that'll suit you to a T. So go forth, experiment, and find your perfect fade. Your jawline will thank you for it. How to fade my beard. Now, let's stop beating around the bush and get to the meat of the matter. Here are the essential equipment you will need to create your fade, and a step-by-step process to do so. Here's what you'll need. Quality clippers. Invest in a good pair of clippers with adjustable guard lengths. Look for brands like Wahl, Andis, or Philips Norelco, known for their precision and reliability. Guards. You'll likely need a range of guard lengths to achieve the desired fade effect. Start with longer guards for the upper portion of the beard, and gradually decrease the length as you move down towards the chin. A typical fade might use guards ranging from number 3 to number 1. Comb. A fine-tooth comb is your best friend for guiding the trimmer and ensuring an even cut. Mirror. A good quality well-lit mirror is crucial for precision trimming. Consider magnifying mirrors for a close-up view. Optional, but helpful. Beard trimmer with different attachments for detailing and shaping. Cape or towel to catch clippings. Now that you assembled everything you will need, it's time to go through each step you will need to go through to fade your beard. Step 1. Prep work. Wash and dry your beard thoroughly. This will make the hair easier to manage and prevent pulling. Step 2. Map it out. Before diving with the clippers, visualize the fade you want to achieve. Consider your face shape and desired level of contrast. A high fade starts shorter near the ears, while a low fade keeps the sides longer. Sketch a guideline on your cheekbone with a beard pencil to mark the transition point. Step 3. Start high, go low. Begin with the longest guard at the top of your beard, near the sideburns. Use upward strokes with the clippers, following the natural curve of your cheekbone. Gradually, decrease the guard length as you move down towards the chin, creating a smooth transition. Step number 4. Refine and blend. Use the shorter guard lengths to refine the fade and blend the edges. Pay close attention to the area around the jawline and neckline for a seamless look. Step 5. Detailing. Once you're happy with the overall fade, use the trimmer's precision attachments to define your cheek line, mustache, and any other beard edges. Step number 6. Maintain the magic. To keep your fade looking sharp, regular trimming is key. Aim for touch-ups every 1 to 2 weeks, depending on your hair growth rate. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to start with a slightly longer fade than desired. Gradually trim shorter until you achieve the perfect look. And if all else fails, a professional barber can always help you get the hang of it. Remember, patience is key. Don't be afraid to start longer and trim shorter if needed. Once you've mastered the basic fade, unleash your inner artist with detailed trimming. Define your cheek lines, mustache, and any stray hairs with your trimmer's attachments for a sharp, polished look. Maintain your masterpiece with regular touch-ups, and soon, you'll be rocking a barber-worthy beard fade that turns heads wherever you go. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Until next time, stay sharp, stay groomed, and as always, let your beard be the legend it was meant to be. See you in the next video, gentlemen.